QR codes. You've scanned them on posters, menus, maybe even a mystery flyer or two. But what if we told you they're more than just black and white squares? On a poster, they can be a portal to websites, music, merchandise, or even exclusive behind-the-scenes footage. Or imagine turning a city block into an interactive playground with just one scan. At a restaurant, it's more than a menu. It's a direct line to the chef's table. Embedded into objects, QR codes unlock bonus content, tell a story, or even gamify the experience. On art, they add an extra dimension, connecting physical creations to digital worlds. So next time you see one of these, remember, it's not just a code. It's a story, an experience, and a bridge between worlds.